Hey there, tornado enthusiasts. Get ready to be blown away by some incredible tornado facts. We're talking twisters, cyclones, those crazy funnel clouds that make you want to run for cover, but also kind of want to watch in awe. From ancient history to modern technology, we've got it all covered. Let's dive in. Our first stop takes us back to Ireland, in the year 1054. Over 1,000 years ago, folks witnessed a great whirlwind tearing through the countryside. This ancient twister was recorded in the Annals of the Four Masters. Talk about a history lesson. Fast forward a few centuries and bam, it's 1609 and we're in Jamestown, Virginia. Early settlers, minding their business, trying to make a life. When out of nowhere, a twister drops in for a surprise visit. The first one officially reported in what's now the US of A. Talk about making an entrance. Let's zip ahead to 1971 when Dr. Tetsuya Fujita changed the tornado game forever. He was the Sherlock Holmes of storms, creating the ingenious Fujita scale, or F scale. This scale measures tornado intensity by wind speed and damage. Thanks to Dr. Fujita, we can number those swirling beasts. Hold on to your truck, folks, because we're jumping into the late 1980s and 90s, when Doppler radar swooped in like a superhero to revolutionize tornado detection. This game-changing tech gave meteorologists X-ray vision, allowing them to see inside swirling storms and predict tornadoes with more accuracy. Thanks to Doppler, we can all breathe easier, or at least have more warning to take cover. Let's talk about the heartland of America, where the wind comes sweeping down the plain, and sometimes it picks up speed and turns into a tornado. Tornado Alley includes states like Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska. Why so many tornadoes there? It's all about the perfect storm of atmospheric conditions. Now we're talking serious wind power, folks. The most powerful tornadoes, those rated EF5 on the Fujita scale, can unleash winds faster than 300 miles per hour. That's like 5 times faster than the fastest roller coaster and way stronger than most hurricanes. It's enough to send chills down your spine, and send just about anything else flying through the air. Here's a head-scratcher for you. While most tornadoes in the northern hemisphere spin counterclockwise, there are rare twisters called anticyclonic tornadoes that rotate clockwise. It's like they didn't get the memo. Scientists are still trying to figure out why these rebel tornadoes spin the other way, but one thing's for sure, they're a reminder that Mother Nature always has tricks up her sleeve. Hold on to your swim trunks because a tornado doesn't stop being scary just because it hits water. When a twister makes its way over a lake or ocean, it transforms into what's known as a waterspout, which is basically a tornado on vacation. These watery whirlwinds can be just as destructive as their land-loving counterparts, so don't let the whole over-water thing fool you. Now it's time to talk about a storm that left an unimaginable path of devastation in its wake, the Daulatpur Saturia tornado, which struck Bangladesh in 1989. This monstrous twister, tragically, took the lives of approximately 1,300 people, making it the deadliest tornado ever recorded. It's a stark reminder of the immense power of nature and the importance of preparedness and resilience. Get ready for a wild ride because we're talking about a twister that wouldn't quit. The Tri-State Tornado of 1925 holds the record for the longest-lasting tornado, carving a path of destruction for 219 miles across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. This marathon twister spun for about 3.5 hours, an eternity in tornado terms, leaving a trail of heartbreak and rebuilding in its wake. Prepare to have your mind blown, because size does matter when it comes to tornadoes, and the El Reno tornado in Oklahoma was the king of colossal. This behemoth stretched a jaw-dropping 2.6 miles wide in 2013, making it the widest tornado ever measured. That's like 4 times the width of Central Park. It's hard to fathom a storm that massive, but thankfully those kinds of behemoths are rare. We're moving to warp speed. The Bridge Creek Moore tornado that tore through Oklahoma in 1999 clocked in with the fastest wind speeds ever recorded near ground level. A mind-blowing 318 miles per hour. That's almost half the speed of sound. It's safe to say that this twister wasn't messing around. Wow, who knew tornadoes could be so fascinating? We've traveled through time, explored the science behind these swirling storms, and learned about some of the most extreme weather events in history. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of tornado facts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Stay safe and see you next time.